Your patio doors do more than provide access to your outdoor space. They help protect your home, improve energy efficiency, and enhance the look of your living area. Over time, however, patio doors can wear down and stop performing the way they should. If you're a homeowner in Knoxville, recognizing the signs that it's time to replace your patio doors can help you maintain comfort, security, and curb appeal. Difficulty opening or closing. One of the most noticeable signs that your patio doors may need replacing is difficulty when opening or closing them. Sliding patio doors should glide smoothly along their tracks, and hinged doors should open without resistance. If you find yourself forcing the door or struggling to move it, the rollers, tracks, or frame may be worn out or damaged. In some cases, dirt buildup or minor adjustments can fix the issue, but if the problem keeps returning, replacement may be the best long-term solution. New patio doors are designed to operate smoothly and reliably, making daily use far more convenient. Drafts or temperature change. Knoxville experiences both hot summers and chilly winter days, so properly sealed patio doors are important for maintaining indoor comfort. If you notice drafts coming through your doors or feel a temperature change near them, the seals may be failing. Older patio doors often lose their ability to insulate effectively. Gaps in the frame, worn weather stripping, or aging glass can allow outside air to enter your home. Replacing your patio doors with modern, energy-efficient models can help keep your home comfortable year-round while potentially lowering your heating and cooling costs. Condensation between glass panes. If your patio doors have double or triple pane glass, you should not see moisture between the panes. Condensation trapped inside the glass is usually a sign that the seal has broken. Once the seal fails, the insulating gas between the panes escapes, reducing the door's energy efficiency. This can also make the glass look foggy or cloudy, affecting the appearance of your home. In many cases, replacing the entire door or glass unit is the most effective way to restore clarity and insulation. Visible damage or wear. Physical damage is another clear indicator that it may be time for new patio doors. Cracked glass, warped frames, rotting wood, or rusted hardware can all affect the performance and safety of your doors. Knoxville's changing weather conditions can take a toll on exterior features of your home. Over time, moisture, sunlight, and temperature shifts can cause materials to weaken. If your patio doors show visible signs of wear or damage, replacing them can prevent further issues and improve the overall look of your home. Increased outside noise. Patio doors with worn seals or outdated glass may allow more outside noise to enter your home. If you're hearing more traffic sounds, neighborhood activity, or outdoor noise than before, your doors may not be providing the sound insulation they once did. Modern patio doors are designed with improved glass technology and tighter seals, helping reduce unwanted noise and create a quieter indoor environment. Outdated appearance. Sometimes the reason to replace patio doors isn't just functional, it's aesthetic. Older patio doors can make your home look dated, especially if the frames are discolored, scratched, or mismatched with the rest of your home's style. Upgrading to newer patio doors can dramatically improve the look of your living space. Larger glass panels, modern frame designs, and updated finishes can bring in more natural light while giving your home a fresh, updated appearance. Improved security features. Security is another important factor to consider. Older patio doors may not have the same locking systems and safety features found in newer models. Weak locks or worn hardware can make doors easier to force open. Modern patio doors often include stronger frames, advanced locking mechanisms, and impact-resistant glass, giving homeowners greater peace of mind. Knowing when to upgrade. If you've noticed any of these issues with your patio doors, it may be time to consider a replacement. New patio doors can improve comfort, energy efficiency, security, and style all at once. For Knoxville homeowners, investing in high-quality patio doors can make a noticeable difference in both the functionality and appearance of your home. By recognizing the warning signs early, you can upgrade your doors before small problems turn into costly repairs.